I got here, this one just came in earlier from JMCI. And wala akong makeup guys. Kasi wala nakapag-toner na. Wala na kahit eyebrow or whatever. This will be my attempt. Ay, hindi ako nakalapit. Ano ba yan? Kasi dinig ko yung hangin. Hindi ko rin makakatayo itong phone ko. Makapag-lapel ako. Ano ba? Pag nagmamadali ka na ngayon mo kung hindi was na rin naman ito. 12 at ito kahapon. So, naapa ko na siya. Pero kita-kita yung nakaseal pa yan. So, ito yung dalawang wala kasi nakikita ng review na in comparison. Pero meron ako nakita ng mga influencers na they've already used these both. Ayun, mag-ilong tayo ng konti. Ayan. Nagamit na nila to. Pero wala silang comparison. So, they've been promoting and they're saying that they're claiming that these both are good. Ayan, habang hindi ko tayo na-test, ako binubuksan ko. I only have like 10 minutes left to do this firework. So, kailangan may sure ako natatanggal na itong ano ko, no, eyelash. Oo. So, anyway, ito yung may self-adhesive Chuva Loop na eyelash. Ito, black chocolate zinc PCA antioxidant air cushion shade 01 ivory, and this one is in the shade, it's not written here. Ayan, LC01. Ito 01 ivory because yeah, I'm a bit fair, and ang alam ko yung Genie lang dalawa lang yung shade options niya, parang isang normal or natural Chuva Loop yung kanya. So sana mag-expand pa sila ng shade variation, di ba? JMCY, I think marami-rami siya. Pero syempre, knowing na BB cushion, usually maputi yan. Unlike sa Turtur, di ba? Sila pa lang yung alam ko na nag-expand talaga ng bongga. I think it's in a response then to this Afro-American na influencer sa YouTube na challenge sila na sana gusto niya rin i-try para sana may better and deeper shade variations. Parang ayusin muna natin ito. So, eto na nga. I don't have anything on my lips, I swear. I don't know bakit meron yan, but I have nothing. Like, I just literally got out of the shower at humigay ka lang ko. So, parang tinali ko naman ganyan. Eto na siya. Oh my gosh, grabe no. Sobrang girly, ang lakas maka. Inamoy. So, ganyan siya, when opening, tapos dumikit na siya. Tapos may cover, may seal pa yung kanyang mirror, and wala naman siya amoy. Ano ba? Tapos ito yung compartment. And then, yeah, rapid film. Kasi wala na palang memory, so namatay. Anyway, ito na. Ito naman yung isa. Kailangan ko na mag-change ng nails, pero kailangan ko ulit ng nails ko. Super cute na. Pink lahat. This Jimmy Lang's lakas maka-sleek, golden, and black compared to this one naman girly. And it's also, you know, like very nice and very aesthetically. And ito naman black. So, and then there's another foam here. And this is for the dry powder. And maganda kasi iba yung foam. Okay. So, ito na yung actual product. So, it doesn't really have anything in here. Start tayo sa kanilang ano. Parehas silang maganda. Actually, almost the same size sila, guys. It's just that this one has two things. The cushion itself and then the extra powder. This one only has the cushion. And then, of course, mirror. And then this one. Yan. May lahat sila may partition naman. This one ulit. Yeah, it also has a mirror pala. Ayan siya. And in terms of sa pagbubukas, lalo na kung may nails ka, hindi naman nakasanay ganito. This is more convenient at I guess kasi you just press it. This one, not bad at all. I mean, yeah, you kind of press it too. Pero this one, mas glass siya. So, mas ingat ka lang siguro. Glass, plastic-y, ganyan. Ito, mas on the glass type. Ayan. So, siguro kung maubos mo ito agad, then hindi naman, I mean, syempre mag-wear off, mag-ano, diba? Maiiba. Siguro, ito yung mas una na magagasgasan or what. I don't know. Depende sa pag-aalaga mo at pag-tabi mo. Anyway, ito yung likod nila. It contains, expiration date up to 2027. It also has one, 2027. 10/24, this one is September 18. It also has the day. No, 10/24 too. Ito rin pala. Ito naman, September. So, mauna to. Highly sun-resistant, high coverage and whitening. Ito naman, hindi naman yung sinabing sun-resistant, pero sabi niya zinc PCA antioxidant. Antioxidant siya. So, more on the, skincare benefits. Pero, you know, they both have their own claims, right? Alam mo sinabi na may cover and sun protection din siya, SPF 30. The other one is SPF 50. So, this one, sa box, SPF, the time of truth. Ayan, test na natin. I think they both have their own refills. I'm not so sure. JMCY has. Anyway, ayan, I just gave in sa budol. So, let's try. Dapat konti-konti lang pag gagamit ka pala ng cushion. Hindi mo kailangan na sobrang dami. It's not like your typical foundation that's strong and then tapping motion. Nanghihinayang ako sa mga ganyan. Ako lang ba? Anyway, clean yung face natin. So, left and right. Wait. Nakalive ko na ako ng ganyan. So, kayo na rin gagawin ko sa lamin na. Doon ako kumuha sa film. Sa dito. Ano ba? Tagang kuripot ko, no? Sa alip na dito. Ayan. Let's try first. Gulo nito. Gusto ko nang palitan yung lash. Okay. Pad. Hindi ko siya. May amoy ba siya? Oo, somehow. Maghanap ako ng ibang salamin, di ba? Pinig ko konti, no? Tamihan pa natin. So again, Jimmy Lan on the left side of my face, and then later on we'll have JMCY on the right side of my face. Tanggalin na natin to. Both, ano lang meron. Ayan, saka na rin tayo kukuha. Konti, gabi, dami na transfer na product na this place. So, ayan, meron ko dun na parang little, pimpy or something. Alam ko kung tama yung ginagawa ko. But anyway, yan na yun. Pat lang. Light-handed. Tapos dito kasi matayong dark circles na pinaghirapan natin. Dapat tayong maging proud. Pero tayo tinitas natin itong product. Tingnan natin. Nilagay ko na rin dito sa eyes ko. Bakit ang red? Pinkish masyado ng lips ko sa neighbor. So, anyway, this is the with, this is without. O, diba? Tapos light lang to, pero na-cover niya yung redness. Ganda. I will not put on the powder first, to be fair sa JMCY, ha? Okay, so, nafe-feel ko pa siya. Hindi siya like ganun kabilis mag-set. May konting dewiness siya. But it's okay. It's not shiny. No. It's just, wala. Nag-dry din siya agad. The other one. Grabe, the struggle is real. Mas mahirap tong ayan. Mas ang dikit ng adhesive nito. Anyway, dito ko rin kinuha. Like yung kanina. Diba, nang titipid. Ayan. Konti lang din. And then, let's try it now on the other side of my face. So, I have about, 7, 8, mga 3 hours na work time for this batch. So, let's try 3 hours na. Time check, it's 6:55. Oh my God. I have to start at 7. This one, hindi ko alam. Siguro mali lang yung shade choice ko. Lighter siya to me. This one, nag-adapt siya kagad sa skin ko. Tama lang. Anyway, dalawa lang options naman ng Jimmy Lan, di ba? Yung fair and then the normal one. So, I'm not so sure how far the difference is. Yeah, medyo nakulangan ako. Kasi mas marami naman yung nakuha ko talaga din dito sa isa. Ayan. So, ayan pala yung sponge. Hindi ko na-compare. Tada! Be friends with each other. Okay, it's a bit smaller. This one is a bit bigger. Ano daw? Ayan, meron ko dito parang ayan, ewan ko ano yan. But let's cover. Oh, ang dami. Shucks. Ang dami tuloy. Oh my gosh. Gamit ko na yung ilalim para hindi na madagdagan pa. So, may red dito ng onte. Sana mag-adapt pa rin siya. Hindi ko pa nilagyan yung leeg natin na Happy Foundation. Big muna tayo. Pero din ang ginawa ko to. Ang kulit na hair dapat. Anyway. So, okay. Coverage-wise, nakikita nyo, mas maputi ito. Compare dito. Obvious naman oh. Pero I hope it would adapt more. I mean, not that bad naman siguro. Very far from my actual skin color. I don't know. Tapos kailangan pa pating leeg, diba? Kasi mukha tayong diba, kapalit-palit. Ayan. So, wala, ganyan lang. Test lang natin siya. The feel, habang nilagad the feel, mas fast na itong mag-dry, itong JMCY. Kasi it doesn't require powder anymore, right? They're not that, Oo, mas ano 'to, mas mattifying tong JMC White compared to this one. And for some reason, this has more coverage than, ewan ko lang kung siguro mas marami ba yun, parang hindi naman ganun. Um, and maybe this would require a powder. Ayan. So, yun lang naman. Siguro kanya-kanyang trip din yan kung anong gusto nyo, di ba? In terms of, having a powder or ano, ito isa lang eh. And then it should serve on it. Today, I'll use all my blush ng Caroline, na Pink Patricia, and Always Sweet ng Vice Cosmetics. So, konti lang. Iko-combining ko na ito guys. So, nagmamalay na ako. So, anyway, yung ano naman na tinetest natin, yung ayun. So, nahulog na yung isa ko nito. Ubus na rin yun. Eto, ubus na siya. So, you will use my Bay Free. This is in the shade Ash Brown 02. This is in BR01. I will try using the transparent one. That's what I've ordered next. Pero kasi sobrang favorite ko ito yung pinagsasagaan ko talaga kay ito na te. Sobrang favorite ko ito lalo pag mamadali ka talaga yung tangad ka. Ayan. Actually, hindi naman siya pang tangad kasi babrush ko pa rin siya. For me, personally, kasi wala naman akong ganun like a big problem with not having eyebrows. Kailangan mo talaga linisin. So, kailangan ko lang ipa-thread to. Tapos, ayun. Konting guhit-guhit lang dyan. Carry mo na yun. Ayun, kabata kailangan pa lang thickening. Ayan. Ang dami. Ano ba? Ito, this is what I use for my eyelashes. So, nakikita nyo, natatanggal na itong self-adhesive nyo. Pinagdidikit ko yung iba dyan. I intend to clean them. And I think, well, actually, medyo naninipisan ako to my liking lang for this kind of variant. Pero it's very natural. Basta naka-curl lang siya talaga ng maayos. Maganda naman siya. Kailangan mo siyang linisin. And then I think you can just, reuse this as a usual eyelash. Either, with your usual lash glue or kung gusto mo, kung may glue ka rin ng para sa yung pang falls talaga na then yeah, I think pwede rin naman. Basta kailangan mo lang linisan talaga. So, ito, natatanggal na siya. This is like on its 3rd day, I guess. Nung naman din nasabi ng seller, diba, mga 2 to 3 days lang naman din siya. Especially if you're like me, kasi nung ginamit ko to, may mga lakad ako ganyan. Tapos, I would usually wear like eyeshadows too. So, syempre, yung product, diba, napupunta rin yan dyan sa lashes, yan, tapos mag-eyeliner ka and stuff like that. So, syempre, nakaka-apekto siya ng adhesive. Ayun. Pero siguro kung hindi ka naglalagay masyado sa eye area mo, maybe it could last you a bit longer. Ayan. This one's Sasa Lady. Number 2. I have number shades number 1 and 2. Maybe I should try the number 1. Number 2. It's a bit fancy. So, I put it there. There and here. Alam mo naman, saan ako pupunta? Alam mo naman din. Habang work, hindi naman. By the way, I used here at Kakari Place. Kasi nalagay ko sa Red Hot sa event. Nahulog siya actually sa fashion. Nawala. But anyway, I don't know. But anyway, this Maybelline vinyl ink. The shade 16, Mischievous. Quick update. It's been like 3 hours since I've finished what I need to do. I tried to remove the residue and I removed na rin talaga the lashes because I was not happy about it. But anyway, ito siya. No powder, no retouch at all. What I've noticed actually, aside sa light, I mean sa camera ng phone, ang gulo ng buhok ko, no? Hindi na pa ako tanggal. Anyway, mas maputi talaga yung JMCY and then medyo patchy. I think it's because of my application, the way I applied it earlier. Kasi mahirap talaga kung phone lang yung ginagamit mo na like yung mirror kasi mamadali ka pa. So you cannot really completely focus and you cannot see all the areas just like this one. So I don't think you can still blend it. But anyway, ayun siya. So minimal, I mean yung coverage siya, andyan pa rin. Konti lang naman nilagay ko. But what it seems to me is parang mas high nga yung coverage like what I've said sa JMCY. I just don't know if mas maraming nilagay ko pero parang hindi naman. But maybe we can give it a shot again. Especially on on this coming 15th. Kasi sa 15th, naku Diyos ko, may 7 plus hours ako na dire-diretso yung trabaho talaga yun online. So this is based, for an online teacher, an online trainer like me, ayan, work from home, pero hindi naman ako naka-air conditioner dito sa bahay. So, ang init, diba? Or I'll just rely on the fan, yan, naririnig nyo. And yung ilaw ng ring light, ayan, and radiation for the monitor. Usually, dun pa nga ako mas naiinis kasi yung gulong din ng hair ko, ang dami ng hairs. Doon ako naiinis kasi mas, wait nga. So, ayan, sabi ko nga, doon ako mas naiinis kasi I've noticed na kapag compared to me being on the move, like outside, kapag bumabiyahe ka, kahit tagtag ka na, doon mo nakikita na, ay, may kapit pa, ganyan, na-amaze ako sa longevity versus na nakaupo lang ako. Katulad kaya, hindi ko na masyadong ma-appreciate, or maybe because nasanay na yung mata ko sa ilaw lang sa, dito lang sa bahay. Pero, hindi ko masyadong na-appreciate, or dahil kasi iba yung register sa online na camera, hindi ko na-appreciate masyado yung products. And kung talagang kapit pa siya or hindi. Hindi ko ang bilis siyang mahulas or mawala. Pero ito, so far, ayun na naman pala. Diba sabi ko 3 hours ang mawala na. Pero, dahil naman pala. And then, itong, yan, yung Maybelline na ano. So, I like that shade kasi it's very natural lang. So far, ayan, going back. So, minimal lang yung coverage niya. Medyo medium actually. Siguro pwede pang, I think it's going to be buildable if I'll try to build it up next time. Very evident color difference, shade difference. This is really more on my skin tone, and this one is just a bit more brighter. And hindi pa even yung ano. Pero, the feel, it's almost the same. If earlier this was a bit mas, ano ba, hindi kasi siya sticky or what, pero mas ano siya, parang, hindi naman siya oily, pero mas, ayun, mas ano siya, parang moisturizer or what, compared to this one. Ngayon, akala ko mas dry ito, mas matte rather. Ngayon, mas ano na siya, mas combination kasi yung skin to, so mas feel ka, lalo na dito sa nose. Sa nose, mas malakas parang oil up, like dito sa JMC side, versus dito sa Jimilan. And considering wala pa tong powder, so if, I don't know, if I was set this with powder, baka mas doon na yung build up, yung coverage niya, and then perhaps it would hold the, yung oil, pag-oil up ko. So, and I didn't use, any oil blotting paper or what, just, ito lang. Pero so far naman, it's good. I think, so far, it's okay. And anyway, trial lang naman. But all in all, if this is brightening, and I don't know if it's the wrong shade that I've chosen, siguro kung one shade lower, then maybe it's also just fine. Ayun na, kasi magkaiba lang sila. So, nakikita ko. I will try again next time na like full face na Jimilan na, and full face naman na JMCY. Then, we can give it better, justification. I actually ordered another cushion with powder, but it's really a very cheaper version. I don't even know the brand. I don't even know if it's FDA approved o yung gagayahin. Hindi ko naman siya pinapromote. Pero you choose and you use at your own risk, diba? The things that you would want to apply on your face and on your body. Pero syempre, ingat-ingat lang. But, I just want to give it a shot. I just saw it online. So, yun lang yung latest update. Eto, mas natutuwa ako na brightening siya. Hindi naman yung kanyang and high coverage. Bakit na talaga pagka-bright dito. Dito suko nagdagat. Mas gusto ko lang na less oil build-up. And actually, nakikita ko, mas dewy siya, pero mas matte. Diba? Ang weird. Mas dewy siya tingnan, pero mas matte. Like, to the touch, to the feel. Weird. So, this is glowing, this is brightening, if you get what I mean. That's it. So, whichever you like, you can, check out and buy yours.